Hello friends, today we'll be solving a very good question where we are trying to identify whether root 2 is greater or cube root of 3. This looks simple, but due to the power, that is square root and a cube root, this can be difficult, but obviously. So if you want to solve ahead, you can, but I'll just give you a hint for this. So here is the hint. Now, we have in the first case 22 cube, where you have the base as 22, same across both of them, and the powers are different. So with this, it becomes very easy to identify which is greater. So here it is 22 cube. And we take another scenario where we have bases as different, 3 raised to 22 and 2 raised to 22. So here we can easily identify that 22, the exponents are actually the same and the base are actually different. So we can easily identify, because 3 is greater than 2, we can confidently say that 3 raised to 22 will be greater than 2 raised to 22. So using this simple principle, we'll identify which of them is greater. So first, square root of 2 and cube root of 3. So first I'll write this in a base and exponent form. That will be 2 raised to 1 by 2 and 3 raised to 1 by 3. Now, here I've seen that the numerator is 1 and the denominator I have 2 and 3, which are different. So how do I make them same? So what we can do is either you multiply 3 and 2 so that the base becomes same, or you normally take an LCM. So in this scenario, what we'll do is we'll multiply 2 or 3, or we'll take the LCM, which is the same, that is 6 in both the cases. So here I'll multiply and divide by 3 in the case of where the base is 2, and multiply and divide by 2 where the base is 3. So here what we'll have is 2 raised to 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. And for the other way, I have 3 raised to 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. So why does this help me? So it helps me because now I can club this and get 1 by 6 as my denominator, 6 as the denominator. Okay, so now I'll club and I'll separate it in such a way that I have 2 raised to 1 by 6 into 3, and in the second case, 3 raised to 1 by 6 into 2. Now, I know that 1 by 6 is now the common element in this, but how do I arrange this? So using a law of exponents which says a raised to mn is equal to a raised to m raised to n. So how can I use this law in this scenario? So to make sure that 1 by 6 becomes my exponent, I can write this as 2 raised to 3 raised to 1 by 6 and 3 raised to 2 raised to 1 by 6. So once I have this where I have the exponents as same, now 2 cube is 8, so 8 raised to 1 by 6 and 9 raised to 1 by 6. So we have finally found that now we have finally come to that step where the bases are different and the exponents are same. Now looking at the bases, 9 is greater than 8, so my right hand side, that is cube root of 3, will be greater than square root of 2. Hope you like this. Please leave your comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.